Hello folks, today we are going to be playing Three Little Birds, which is a reggae song. So instead of playing on every beat, we are going to be playing on every other beat to accent what is normally the unaccented parts of the measure. So we're going to be playing 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, because in reggae music, that's normally what happens. The unaccented beats are actually accented. So it's kind of the opposite. There is also a different strumming pattern that's a little bit harder. If you want to add it in on the second part of the song, you can. It goes like this. It's out of the way. It goes like this. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up. Okay, so that's up to you if you want to add that one or not. So here we go. The C chord, F chord, G7 chord.
Up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds perched by my doorstep sing a sweet song, a melody pure and true, singing, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds perched by my doorstep sing a sweet song, a melody pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Yeah, every little thing is gonna be alright. Yeah, every little thing is gonna be alright.
Okay, hope you enjoyed it.